Millions saw the apple fall, but only Newton asked why. Bernard Baruch's legendary quote not only underscores the importance of asking why and how in science, but also highlights Newton's extraordinary genius. Often, discoveries seem obvious in hindsight, much like reusable rockets in recent history, which weren't obvious until someone actualized the idea. The same goes for gravity. The apple simply falls. Without questioning it or assuming all answers are already known, there's no need for explanation. Questioning a falling apple and recognizing a natural law is an event in itself, but understanding why and how it falls requires scientific inquiry. Science isn't just about making vague observations or collecting data. It's about explaining data and observations. Those who can illuminate the universe's deepest secrets are those who think deeply about it, are eager to explain it, and are willing to dedicate years to it. Today, I will delve into Newton's life, exploring both his achievements and his dark side, his occult inner world, and the significant events that shaped his character. Newton was born on December 25, 1642, Julian calendar, or January 4, 1643, Gregorian calendar, in England, which had not yet adopted the new calendar like the rest of Europe. His father died 3 months before his birth, and his mother remarried a wealthy clergyman, leaving him with his grandmother. This abandonment deeply hurt him, causing resentment towards his family, especially his stepfather. From ages 12 to 17, Newton lived with a pharmacist, where he developed interests in chemistry and alchemy, and also in the pharmacist's stepdaughter, though only one became a lasting passion. He attended King's School in Grantham to learn Latin and excelled academically, eventually being admitted to Trinity College at Cambridge University at age 18. At Cambridge, Newton did not limit himself to Aristotle, but also studied contemporary thinkers like Descartes, Copernicus, Galileo, and Kepler, significantly enhancing his knowledge in mathematics and physics. His interest in optics led him to conduct experiments that ultimately allowed him to solve the mysteries of light, including inventing the first reflecting telescope, known today as the Newtonian telescope. During the Great Plague of 1665, Newton returned home to Woolsthorpe, where an apple tree in his garden inspired his thoughts on gravity, questioning why the apple fell straight toward the Earth's center rather than sideways or upwards. This led him to formulate the gravitational force, related to mass and decreasing with distance, eventually developing calculus, a mathematical language essential for his theories. Despite his scientific achievements, Newton had a tumultuous relationship with contemporaries like Robert Hooke and Gottfried Leibniz, leading to fierce disputes over the invention of calculus and other scientific claims. Newton's involvement as master of the mint saw him combat counterfeiters and navigate the South Sea bubble, where he suffered significant financial losses due to speculative investments. Additionally, Newton struggled with mental health issues, paranoia, and obsessive-compulsive behaviors, partly fueled by his deep involvement in theology and alchemy. He spent years exploring the secrets of the Bible and alchemy, leaving behind thousands of words dedicated to these fields, far surpassing his scientific writings. Despite his eccentricities and internal struggles, Newton made profound contributions to science, laying the groundwork for classical mechanics and modern physics with his Principia Mathematica. He died on March 20, 1727, leaving a legacy as a great genius who significantly advanced scientific understanding, even as he grappled with personal demons and unfulfilled pursuits in theology and alchemy. As Alexander Pope aptly put it, nature and the laws of nature lay hid in the darkness of night. Let Newton be God, and all was filled with light. See you in the next video. Goodbye.